Hi Junction Group, so I have a creative challenge for you, if you're up for it. Basically it's to find an object in your house which you think might be obsolete, basically something we don't use anymore, in 10 to 20 years time, and create a documentary as if you were an archaeologist from the future who had found this object, or an archaeologist who's found it and is trying to figure out what it is, or an archaeologist who's done lots of research on it and is trying to explain in a documentary about how incredible this thing was and how it was used and how clever people were in the past. So yeah, find an object that you think we might not use in 10 to 20 years, and then do like a fun, you could even do a David Attenborough voice if you wanted to. Just a fun documentary about it. Cool, I look forward to seeing them. Send them back to us. Good luck.